Today I'm excited to get my locks retightened and have lock sprinkles installed. I have been eyeing sprinkles for over a year, so let's see if it's worth it in this quick video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Latoya. This channel is all about locks. I've had my Sisterlocks for 11 years, travel and lifestyle design. So if you're into any of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My retightening sessions are a reset button that happens every 6 to 8 weeks. I can see my growth and my scalp again, and it makes me feel like a whole new person. But to be honest, lately I've felt a little bit bored with my locks even after a retight. So I was so happy when my loctician messaged me to say she could arrange to have the sprinkles I've been talking about since last year installed during this retightening by someone who specializes in sprinkles. For today's retightening, I asked my loctician to combine any locks that look too thin as she's retightening my hair, especially in the front. I talked about this in my last video, but I snagged a lock in the front and it needed some help. And I saw that a few others were too thin, so I asked her to just combine them. I'm not worried about losing locks. I have over 600 of them. It takes about 4 hours to retighten my locks. On to lock sprinkles. Sprinkles are a very small bead you can add to your locks. You can sew them in, which is what we're doing today. Look at the variety and pretty colors. Today I'm going with this gold and this kind of burnt orange bead. I think that matches my hair, or at least it doesn't clash with my color. I want to go for a more subtle look. My color is already the star. My loctician is finishing her work and I'm getting my sprinkles on 4 locks scattered throughout my hair. If I like it, I'll do more later, but I want to start small just to see how it looks. What I love is that I don't need to remove the sprinkles to wash my hair, retighten it, or even dye my hair. We'll see how long they last and I will definitely report back to you guys. Having the sprinkles installed was pretty simple. Once I identified which areas of my hair I wanted them, the sprinkles queen chose some ideal locks, and I chose one from each section of my hair where I wanted the sprinkles. And then she put them in. It does take some time because she has to sew it and pick up each sprinkle individually with her needle. Just like my retightenings, I could probably install the sprinkles myself, and I could retighten my hair myself, which was my original plan when I got locks. But the time cost is just too great for me. For me, it makes more sense to pay someone to do this rather than take hours and hours and even days to do it myself. Plus, this is one of the ways I treat myself. I don't need to do all of the labor in my life, and that is something I'm learning and embracing. And here is the finished look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Should I get more? Is this enough? Can you even see them? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.